Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into a powerful tool for the business growth. That one is the email marketing. Whether you are just starting or looking to improve your skills, this video will guide you through the key types of email marketing. We will cover the different types of email marketing. So let's get started. Let's talk about the types of email marketing. Types of the email marketing. There are the many way to use email to connect with people, but here are a few of the most popular type. The three type are there: the newsletter, promotional emails, welcome email. Newsletter, these are the regular email that keep your audience updated with news, helpful tips, stories related to your brands. It's great way to build trust and keep people informed. In shorter, we can say that newsletter emails use when you have to send some news या blogs या फिर some case study about your brands. In this case, you can use the newsletters. In that, just you will inform about your brands to the audience. The next one is the promotional email. In this promotional email will be used when you want to promote a sale or a special offer. Promotional email grab your subscriber attention with discount and limited time deals. They are all about encouraging people to buy. Means in the promotional email we will use when you have to sell something. It can be product, it can be service. When you are trying to sell something, so in this way, at that time we have to use the promotional email. In the promotional email we will send a coupon code, a voucher code that customer can redeem on our website. The last and third type is the welcome emails. Welcome emails, when someone join your email list, welcome email introduce them to your brands. These are great for making a solid first impression and setting the tone for further emails. So welcome email will be the first email which customer will see, and you hear the term that is the first impression is the last impression. So from the first impression, people identify or people judge our brands. So we have to keep it more attractive, so the people will stay tuned for the further emails that we are going to send. It can be promotional email, it can be any kind of the email, so we have to focus on that. So these are some basic types of the email marketing that we will use for email marketing part. So if you found this video helpful, please share this course with someone who want to learn the email marketing. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care.